input value from the user in a switch case statements. So let's take input from the user by using the scanner methods, and for that we need a scanner. So we will have to write a scanner object, scanner, and new scanner, and system dot in. This is the way of taking a scanner input methods, and we will have to give the message to the user so user can understand the here we have to enter the choice which choice they want. System dot out dot println, enter your choice, enter your choice, and we have to take the one variable that will be used in a switch case. So that I taken int I is an integer value, and getting in scanner dot next dot int. This is the method to accessing the scanner's value into the I. Then we will use the case, means switch case I. I is what? I is case, which case user want to execute and which case doesn't want to execute. So provide the facility to execute the several cases. Which case you want to execute, you can enter the 1 2 3 4 5 6 whatever number it can be. So I'm writing here case 1. Then the case 1 will print the system.out.println. When you enter 1, then this message will print I is 1, and after the printing 1 it will break the execution of the case, and it goes on the next case which again the user want to execute. So I'm writing here the case 2, and system.out.println I is 2. This is the case 1, and after case execution we want to break it, and break it after I want to write a third case statement, system.out.println I is 3. It means when user enter the third value, means 3 value, enter your choice, means choice the user choosing the choice 3, then this message will print I is 3. If the user choose such number that doesn't exist the case, then you will have to write a default case. So we can write here break, after the break default, then message we can write here you have chosen out of choice number. Then this message will print when you enter the such a number that doesn't exist in a case. So let's see the output what is coming, and then it will be easy to you to understand. Here you can see the enter your choice, the first message is coming. I'm entering here 1. Let's see what it is printing, I is 1 or not. It should print the I is 1. Yeah, exactly, the first case message is printed. Let's run it again and see what if I am entering 2, then the message is printing, second message is printed, program is working correctly. And let's print the third one. Yeah, I is a third, means the case third is executing. Now the terms comes is when you enter such a number that case doesn't exist, then what will print? It will print the default case message. Default case message. Let's see how it is printing. I am printing the 4 here. Choice choosing a 4, that case 3, the after the 4 doesn't exist. What default case here it should print the you have choose the out of number of choice. Yeah, exactly. The default case executed means you have choose the out of cases. Means you have choose the out of cases. So therefore you will choose the out of choice number. Means you will get understood what is the switch case and how we can use in a program where it requires you to write. I hope you will get understood. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.